Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. Today we are dealing with love handles and I'll give you 2 or 3 of the best workouts you can do to get rid of your love handles and to have, an S shape on your waistline, okay? We normally call it bottle shape. So all you need is one dumbbell, just one set of dumbbell. If you don't have a dumbbell, you can use a water bottle, fill it with water, fill it with sand, okay? So legs shoulder width apart, you're holding it on one side and the other arm is right here, okay? Just bend side, so assume the weight is pulling you down, then you pull it up, pulling you down, then you pull it up, down and up. So you have to feel on the opposite side and you keep on squeezing. We are targeting 20 repetitions. So 20. So in your bending side, try not to lean forward like that. That is wrong. Just have your knees soft, chest forward, and your right bending to the side. Okay. Assume the weight is pulling you down, and you pull it back up. So we've done 20 on one side. We do 20 on the other side by just changing the weight, changing the opposite hand up. Again, assume the weight is pulling you down. You pull it up. So don't move your legs like most people do like that. So have your legs soft, yes, but stationary, no movement, and it's only your waist up moving. Our target is 20 repetitions, the first set. Okay, 20, 20. You can repeat 20, 20 by 3. Okay, you do 20, 20, change again the other arm and repeat again 20, 20. Once you're done that side, you repeat again the other side 20, 20. So 20 by 3. Okay, if you want to do more than 20, it's fine by you, but the more the better. When it comes to midsection, high repetition is always welcomed. So next workout you're going to do is a cross body twist. Again, change it to the right hand where you started from. The legs are far apart, soft knees, cross to the opposite side. The other arm is assisting up. When I come up, I turn to the side with the weight. Okay? Essence is to make sure your waist is twisting side. There, turn. Soft knees constantly. Again, change hands, opposite side, opposite hand, and the opposite side. make sure you go 20. So again, you're doing 20 by 3. 20, 20 being one set. You repeat again 20, 20, second set, and 20, 20, third set. Okay, then we give you bonus workout for the love handles. You just lie on your side like so. Okay, so we keep this hand flat like that. The legs are both fold, the other hand is overhead. So I am coming up, either lifting both legs like that, or you can start by lifting just one leg. Okay, so make it continuous 20. So this hand is supporting you so that you're able to come up and you're able to squeeze your side, the love handles. Again, targeting 20. One side, you turn the other side, and again we go for 20. So keep the hand down, the knees are soft, so I have to lift myself up, feel the squeeze on the side. Again we go for 20. Actually, I can feel my sides on fire. Okay, so those are 3 amazing workouts you can do at the comfort of your home to give you a very, very nice shape. Okay, to trim your waistline, to reduce on your love handles, and to make sure you have your best shape. So let me know on the comments section what else you want covered in this channel. We do this because of you. So any recommendation, like any workout you'd want, just write on the comment section and I will be glad to do it for you, or to guide you on how to do it, guide you on how to tone any of the body parts that you want covered. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the post notification bell so that any other amazing video that comes, you are the first one to be notified. So until the next video, ciao.